Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will have a little different magic wand. It will be my hammer, and I will work on this wooden box, not on this one because I already taped one, but it will be, covered. And I have a little 4x4 canvas too if I want to play with. And since I'm talking about hammer, I use this hammer smash kind of painting with hammer technique when I Ann Osborne. If you didn't check her channel yet, please do. When I started, I watched her channel a lot. Then she didn't post a lot, but definitely you can learn a lot. And I will use these little piggy pigments. One is Sangria and the other one is Nebula. And beside that I will use Phthalo turquoise by Amsterdam, and I mixed all my colors with the Bloom pouring medium. So 2 parts untinted base to 1 part polycrilic, and my white, that it will be kind of a cell activator, even though it will not be a bloom. It's Australian Floetrol with titanium white Amsterdam. So I will start with this box, I think. So I will pour just some white house paint for a base, and it's not as thin as I would use, I don't know, it's thick like for a bloom, because on the last one that I did, I used a little my pouring medium with thinner consistency, but today I have a little white edge here on the side, so I want it to be covered too, but I still think that I will spin this out too at the end, so we will see. Just one spin to level this base a little bit. Okay, I'm good. And now I will just add, I will start with this Nebula, these little piggies, and some Amsterdam Phthalo turquoise. This is Expert Series 1, and Sangria. Okay, and now our cell activator, and then we will use a hammer. So let's see what will happen. I kind of like that like it is, but maybe I need something more. I think that I'm good now. Definitely see some weird reactions with my house paint base, but hopefully it will be okay. So I will put this one aside and I will grab this little canvas. Okay. Here I will try to do it a little differently and put this canvas, and it's a flexible kind of in a way. Look at this part here. Okay, I like it now. I will just clean a little bit and take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. My base paint kind of eating the pattern. I hope that it will not eat the whole, because this one It's kind of cool looking. Where is the light? Oh. And those piggies shine so bright. And I love this second one because it has a lot of depth, and I like that there is some negative space too. But here I just love this. So you can paint with the hammer too, and play and have fun and relax. It's satisfying and beautiful. So this was it for today. Have a nice one and see you on the next one. Bye.